Hi, my name is Rahul Srivastav and I welcome you all to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be discussing on gross profit ratio. Now, under this ratio, gross profit is compared with sales. So we can say that gross profit is compared with what? Is compared with sales. Now, what is this sales? Is this the gross sales or net sales? So this sale is nothing but the net sales incurred by the company or the entity. Now, you will ask me, what is this net sales? So net sales is nothing but you can say gross sales minus sales return is the net sales. Now we can say that when from the sales we deduct cost of goods sold. From the sales we deduct cost of goods sold, we get as gross profit. We get as gross profit. Okay. Now this we'll learn with the help of an example. So for an example, suppose sales of any entity is suppose 100, okay, and cost of goods sold suppose is, let us suppose is 60. So then what would be the gross profit? So therefore gross profit would be nothing. Gross profit would be nothing but yes, sales माइनस कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड, यानी जितना मैंने सेल्स किया है और उस सेल्स को करने में जो मेरा कॉस्ट लगा है उसको माइनस करेंगे तो विल गेट कॉस्ट प्रॉफिट. सो विच कम्स डाउन टू 100 माइनस 60, विच कम्स डाउन टू एस 40, विच कम्स डाउन टू एस 40. Is it clear up till here? Okay. Now, so we can say that gross profit ratio. We can say that gross profit ratio is nothing but gross profit is nothing but gross profit divided by net sales into 100, divided by net sales into 100. So in this case we are getting gross profit as 40 divided by net sales. Net sales is 100. You can see here net sales is 100 into 100. So 100 cancelled, 40. So it comes down to 40%. So the inference that we can get from this ratio is that higher the ratio, better it is for any entity or company. So higher the ratio, greater the ratio, better it is for the entity or company. So I guess the concept of gross profit ratio was clear to you. Thank you for watching the video. Please stay tuned for more such other videos on MSME, and this I am explaining only with perspective of a banker, what is important with respect to a banker perspective. So if you like my initiative, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Take good care of yourself. Thank you.